Hi everyone, thank you for being here. Today I am here to present you the amazing new Magicook Pro by Fruity. This is one of their latest creations and it's literally magic. It allows you to create so many things in the kitchen, from clarified butter, healthy snacks and smoothies, soups, dressings, homemade natural cosmetics, CBD oil, essential oils, tinctures, gummies, and so much more. Can you believe that? So today I want to show you what is in the box. I know that in Australia they have a slightly different version. So this is the version if you are in Europe. And if you get one of those amazing Magicook Pro, this is what you're gonna get. I'm gonna show you what's inside today. So first thing that you will find, some welcome cards to the Fruity family, and also here there's a QR code and instructions on how to register your warranty. Then here we have the manual. This is the manual for the Magicook Pro. And first thing that we get from the box, of course, is the Magicook Pro. Voila. And this also looks nice on the kitchen counter. This is the display. So this is how it looks on the inside. And this is the display of the Magicook Pro. So you just need to put in your herbs. If you're doing essential oil or clarified butter, or if you're infusing anything, you can infuse honey, coffee, milk. You just put in whatever you want to infuse it with, and then you just press the presets function that you can find here, and you just go on with your day, and super easy to use. So this is how it looks, and let's see all of the accessories. This is my favorite part. So everything is nicely wrapped like this. I did remove the plastic from the other accessories because I didn't want to make too much noise. This is one of my favorite accessories, which is the butter molds. So with this is silicone. It's black. It's also handy, you know, you can put it in the fridge, and it has 4 little butter molds, super cute. You can also make plant-based butter in here, infused butter, and this is super nice. I love this. Then one of my other favorite things is, as I mentioned before, you can make your own gummies with the Magicook Pro. So this Fruity gave you some gummies molds. So with this, they are like little cute bears, and then also you have a measure. Also this is in silicone, and it's super nice. So you can make gummies and healthy sweets for your children, your family. How amazing is that? And then we have not 1, not 2, but 3 purifier mesh bags that you can use with your herbs whenever you're making the oils. Also the clarified butter, they give you 3 purifier mesh bags. And then this is not finished, not over. We have, this is the cord, and I like the fact that the cord is detachable because sometimes the cord can get in the way. So it's also better for when you have to store your Magicook Pro away. And then we have 3 silicone spatulas. a smaller one and 2 bigger ones to get in there and not waste anything. I love this. And you can also use them, you know, for your blender or for anything else. That's nice. And then we have one of the last accessories. This is the silicone glove that you can use with your Magicook Pro, and you can also use with your oven or, you know, with anything else. This is super nice and super useful. So this is everything that the Magicook Pro comes with. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use it. One of the first things that I'm gonna do for sure is my own CBD oil, because I know how much that costs and I really want to try to do my own, because this looks super easy. Like, you just put the ingredients in, press a button, and then you come back and you have magic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Ciao.